Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for data science events with O'Reilly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for data science events with O'Reilly, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the O'Reilly website. Look for the search bar, usually located at the top of the page. Type in data science events and hit enter. Browse through the list of upcoming events related to data science. Choose an event that interests you by clicking on its title. On the event page, read the details, including date, time, and agenda. Locate the registration button, often highlighted on the page. Click on the registration button to proceed. If you have an O'Reilly account, sign in with your credentials. For new users, look for the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information to create your account. After signing in or creating your account, fill out the registration form. Double-check all provided information for accuracy. Submit your registration once you're satisfied. You should receive a confirmation email with details about your registration. Keep an eye on your inbox for any updates related to the event. Now you're all set to participate in your chosen data science event with O'Reilly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.